This channel is especially formulated with remarkable and undisputed techniques that will stimulate your brain to become a great memory powerhouse. Undoubtedly, you will be able to process and compress complex information into simpler and memorable chunks that can be reproduced during the exams and reflected in your marks. Now let us dive into the topic. Reading less while excelling in exams is all about smart strategies. First, focus on key concepts. Instead of getting lost in every word, skim headings and summaries to grasp the main ideas. Next, engage actively with the material. Summarize what you learn in your own words or teach it to someone else. Writing something down is equivalent to reading it 7 times. So jot down what you want to remember. It's amazing how much you retain. The brain functions at 100% during the 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. slot. Do try to fit in your study regime in it. Brain function dwindles at 50% during the 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. bracket and is at its lowest at night at 20%. Use mnemonics wherever possible. Associating an answer with a song, rhyme, acronym, image, or phrase will help you remember. Study alone to avoid distractions or with a small group of like-minded friends. Flashcards are a game changer for memorization. They break down information into bite-sized pieces, making review quick and effective. Prioritize your study sessions too. Tackle the tough subjects first and spend less time on what you already know. Practice exams are invaluable. They familiarize you with the test format and reduce the need for extensive reading. Keep your study materials organized so you can find what you need quickly. And remember, regular review beats cramming any day. Spaced repetition reinforces learning without overwhelming you. By using these techniques, you can study smarter, not harder, and still ace your exams. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your colleagues. This is Pike Insights Channel, your #1 academic channel.